So we went to do the
Trans seal.
Trans
the rear
seal,
seal.
the
Completely
tailhouse.
wrong.
Not, dude. We're talking from like this to here's what we needed. They gave us something like this. It's like
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
So the gender neutral slush box seal
was wrong.
was wrong.
So we're waiting on that. I got all our shroud mocked and our radiator kind of mocked and it's mocked up. I just got to make brackets because the factory style brackets aren't going to fly.
Nope.
So we're going to have to do our own little. That's quick and easy.
Yeah, that's a nice little one.
And then once that's done, we just hook up our hoses, throw our oil pan on, and then it'll leave. So
Yep.
it's probably going to leave next week now, but it's okay. It's okay. All right. I think that's all we got, Scotty.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why did we do this?
Oh, because fuel.
Oh, fuel. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
God, I'm fucking dumber than a bag of rocks today.
Sometimes. But I still love you. All right. I think we're good.
Yeah. So
Let's get out of here.